It's always fun for an afternoon drive with my buddy.
And the 2021 Ford Escape here at Royal Oak Ford. With a sleek and stylish look, the Ford Escape has the look that allows you to discover the joy every day. Every Ford Escape offers a roomy experience with a streamlined center console, front bucket seats, and heated steering wheel. With a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, configurable displays, and 3D animation. Bear and I can enjoy our day in a vehicle that has a passenger volume of up to 104 cubic feet and 37 cubic feet of cargo space.
So come take a test drive with me, Steve Eby, and my buddy Bear.
And the 2021 Ford Escape here at Royal Oak Ford.